Understanding hypothesis testing in simple terms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that might sound a bit intimidating at first. But trust me, it's incredibly useful, especially if you're interested in research or data analysis. We're talking about hypothesis testing. So, grab a notebook, and let's demystify this concept together. At its core, hypothesis testing is a method used in statistics to decide whether a certain belief about a dataset is true or not. Imagine you have a hypothesis, which is just a fancy word for an educated guess or assumption. Now, you want to know if this guess is correct based on the data you have. That's where hypothesis testing comes in. It gives us a systematic way to test our assumptions and make decisions about them. There are a few key terms you need to understand in hypothesis testing. Null hypothesis, H0. This is the assumption that there is no significant difference or effect, and it serves as the default position. It's what you aim to test against. Alternative hypothesis, H1. This represents the assumption or claim that there is a significant difference or effect. Significance level, alpha. A threshold set by the researcher that determines how much risk of error is acceptable in the results. Commonly set at 0.05, meaning there's a 5% risk the data could show something that isn't actually there. P-value. The probability that the observed data would occur if the null hypothesis were true. A low p-value, typically less than the significance level, suggests that you should reject the null hypothesis. 1. State your hypotheses. Clearly define both your null and alternative hypotheses. 2. Set the significance level. Decide on the alpha, which is your threshold for accepting or rejecting the null hypothesis. 3. Collect data. Gather the data that will help you test your hypothesis. 4. Perform a test statistic. Use a statistical test appropriate for your data and hypothesis. 5. Make a decision. Compare the p-value to your significance level to decide whether to reject or not reject the null hypothesis. Hypothesis testing is crucial in research and data analysis because it helps us make informed decisions based on data. It's used in various fields, from medicine to economics, to determine if there are genuine effects and differences in the data we observe. By understanding hypothesis testing, you can critically evaluate claims and findings, making you a more informed reader and researcher. And there you have it. Hypothesis testing might seem complex at first, but it's essentially about making educated decisions based on data. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and made it a bit more approachable for you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, learning is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. See you in the next video.